So I'm going to show you a way that you can remove and install a water heater that's on a raised elevation with hopefully minimal strain to your back. I have a combination of equipment here. I actually have something much better that I've ordered that I'm really looking forward to its arrival, and I will be making a video on it when it shows up. But for right now, I am using the cinch and lift handles that magnetize onto the tank, and then it's got a ratchet strap that grabs onto it. This gives you a place to be able to hold on a little bit more ergonomically to the tank. Under normal circumstances, that's usually all I do. I just lift it, set on the ground. However, I have a herniated disc in my back right now, so I'm trying to minimize the amount of lifting I'm having to do with the tank because, well, my back hurts. So I have a motorcycle jack here. This is actually something that I learned from watching the Plumber Lorian's videos, so shout out to the Plumber Lorian. And what I'm going to attempt to do is, I've got the platform raised as much as it'll go. It's pretty close in line to the elevation of the stand. I'm gonna pick up this heater, just shift it over to the motorcycle jack and lower the jack, and then we'll do the opposite for the installation. I bought this jack well over a year ago. I really don't have much experience with it. I honestly haven't been too satisfied with it overall, but I'm hoping it's gonna work out okay today. So I'm gonna set the mic down and hopefully it's not gonna hurt my back too much, and we'll get this done. Here we go. That out of the way. Okay. All right. So we are on the jack. A little ratchet right here. And lower this thing. Balance the heater as we do. And we should now be able to just walk the tank right off of here. All right, that's the old tank removed. That worked out pretty well today. We've got a nice box style platform here, which helps out a lot as opposed to some of the different stands. I'm gonna prep the new tank and then we'll put it up as well. All right, I've made my threaded connections on the new tank. I like to do that before I set it up in position. And we've got our cinch and lift strapped to it. I'm gonna go ahead and walk this onto the motorcycle jack, raise it up, transfer it over. Both of these tanks are 50 gallons. The older one is older. And it's from a time where they weren't as efficient, so it's smaller, it's got less insulation. These newer tanks are heavier. I don't know if it's just the insulation that makes them so much heavier or the build construction. I'm not really excited to maneuver this one with a bad back, but we'll see how well this goes. By the way, if you like this product and this is something that you would like to get, I'm not affiliated with them, but I will put some links in the video description where you can get a hold of both the cinch and lift as well as the motorcycle jack. Now, these might be affiliate links. It just depends on where I'm able to find them, which basically just means that if you click the link and make a purchase, I might make a small commission at absolutely no additional charge to you. So thank you if you choose to do so. If you just absolutely hate the idea of that, just Google cinch and lift and motorcycle jack, and I'm sure you'll find something similar without having to worry about that. But I do appreciate if you click and make a purchase, and I get a little bit for that for my effort here. So thank you for that. somewhat of a economical way to do this job with a bad back. Economical if you are a plumber or someone who does this routinely. If you're doing this at your own house, I want to say this whole system cost about $250, so you might be better off just to hire a plumber to take on the job for you, just pay a little bit more and just not even have to worry about the job. But if you're someone who does this regularly like I do, definitely worth the investment. Like I said, I have a much better system coming in that I'm going to make a video of, but that system is about $4,500. So definitely a different price structure. Anyway, let's get to it. Ratchet. There's my ratchet. This way? Nope. That way. That's it. And there we go. That did the job. So, Plumber Lorian, you're probably not watching this, but if you are, thank you for posting a long time ago about that motorcycle jack. Really came in handy for me today. It doesn't really seem to work out too well when you have some of the metallic platforms, but man, this was perfect. And with the bad disc in my back, thank you. Thank you guys for watching the video. Again, links will be in the description. May or may not be affiliate links. Have a great day.